Cosine rule or law of cosine or cosine formula, this is our video for today. Hello genius! My video for today is about the cosine rule or the law of cosine, or we call it the cosine formula. Now, ano nga ba ang gamit nitong saan ba gagamitin itong cosine rule or law of cosine? Now, for example, we have this. We have triangle A, B, C. So this is point A, point B, and point C. Now this, we call it the sides of the triangle. So here, because this is point A, so we can designate this one as a small a, side A, and this one B, and this one C. Now, this also, we can assign an angle. Angle A, angle B, angle C. So, here, paano natin i-apply yung cosine rule or cosine formula? Now, for example, there's a given, for example, the two sides, for example, B, C is given, and we need to solve the side B. What is required is the side B. Now, of course, this one, angle A is given also. So, using the cosine formula, which state that, because there are three forms. Now, if you are looking for the side A, therefore, A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2AB cosine of, what is the opposite angle of side A is angle A, which is given. As I've said, if the two sides are given and the included angle, then we can solve the side A. Another form, for example, the given is A and B. A, B, and angle C. So, how we will make a formula? We see that C squared, which is the one we're looking, is equal to B squared plus A squared minus 2BA cosine of the opposite angle of C, which is equal to the side, the opposite of side C, which is equal to angle C. So, if we're looking for side C, the angle C, the opposite angle must be given. If we're looking for side A, the opposite angle must be given. So, to use this cosine formula. Now, another thing, if the given is what you call this one, C and A and C, and the angle A, if there is given side A and side C and the angle A, so we can use this formula B squared, which because we are looking for B sorry, this one, what is required here is A, for example. If B and C and angle A is are given, what is required is side A. So this is the formula we're using. Now, if you're looking for side C, the angle C must be given and side A and B. Now, if we're looking for side B, it's the same. It's just that the side which is given is changed. So A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine of the angle B. So these are the three formulas to use in cosine rule or cosine formula. As I've said, if side A is required, angle A, the opposite angle must be given, and the two included angle, which is B and C. This must be B and C, sorry. Because if what is here is given, B and C, so minus 2 times B and C cosine of the opposite angle A. Likewise, if side A and B and angle C are given, so we find C squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2AB for BA cosine angle of C. Now, the third one, if A and C are given and we're looking for angle B and the angle angle A is given, correct. So if we're looking for angle for side B, B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine of angle B. So these are the three. So to illustrate this one, see, before I give you the question, sample question, this simple in mathematics is called angle. So angle A means angle A. This one here, this is angle A. Either small letter or capital letter, up to you. So this is angle A, angle B, and angle C. Now, we'll give you example of this, of a problem which applies. Now, we'll give you sample problem. Now, we'll give you sample problem that uses the cosine rule. Now, we have question here. Sample question, but this was given last CE board exam. Two sides and an included angle of a triangle lot are measured as 2.56, 3.54, and 48.8 degrees respectively. That means the included angle is 48.8. Find the length of the third side. So of course, it is a triangular lot. So we will draw the triangular lot. If we will designate this one as A, B, and C, and what are they given here is, for example, we will see this one as side A and this one as side B. So side A, which is, we assign it as 2.56, and side B is 3.54. Now, what we're looking for is the third side. So if we have the given here A and B, so we're looking for side C. That means the given angle, the included angle, is equal to 48.8. So, if these are given A and B, this angle must be 48.8 because we're looking for side C. So, the opposite angle must be given. Now, of course, as I've said earlier, we can choose from three formulas. Now, here, we'll use the C. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2 times A times B cosine of the opposite angle of C. What is the opposite? Is this one of 48.8. Therefore, so if we will this one is this is diameter. Okay. So here we can solve because if we will substitute the values of A and B and the angle AC already we put 48.8, so A, which is 2.56 squared plus B, which is 3.54 squared minus 2 times the A, which is 2.56, the B is 3.54, and the cosine of 48.8. Therefore, simplifying all this one, C therefore is equal to 2.673 meter. This is the answer for side C. So this is how we will use the cosine rule or law of cosine or cosine formula.